They are regal creatures, and in this small, unassuming veterinary hospital, falcons receive royal treatment because they belong to Sheikh Mohammed, ruler of Dubai. The royal falconers bring them here for personalized medical attention from veterinarian Peter McKinney.
They're really special birds, and this is the sort of bird that they used to catch in the old days when they were migrating across the country. The old Bedouin would trap them. They would use them for 4 or 5 months during the winter to catch birds, and then they would release them again.
Like any vet, McKinney's challenge is to figure out what's wrong with his patients, who can't tell him exactly what hurts. The goal is to keep the royal falcons in perfect condition. They're trained for falconry, for hunting prey. It's a centuries-old tradition in the Arabian Gulf and an important part of the cultural heritage. Today, falconry is a sport, not a necessity, and part of the challenge is the spirit of the falcons themselves. They're not the easiest birds to tame, and falconers spend months each year training their birds to hunt in the wild.
This work is in our blood. This hobby is in our blood. Not anyone can carry a bird and make it fly. It's something inherited. When we were young, we watched our fathers with the birds, and we learned from them.
These birds are eventually released into the wild, so radio transmitters are attached to help researchers track them. These Hubara bustards are raised in captivity to preserve wild populations.
They fly very well. They give a very sporting flight for the falcon, and it's the traditional quarry for centuries and centuries. It represents heritage, if you like, of the Arabian falconer. And they have a characteristic jinking and dodging away from the falcon, so they offer a very sporting flight.
After hundreds of years, the thrill of pursuit and the majesty of these birds still keep falconry alive.